Hey everybody, Trail Dog Adventures here. Toby is my model for his tactical vest that is from Icefang. And if you've seen our videos in the last, maybe 10 months or so, you've seen this in a number of them. And figured we'd do like a little review on it. So, this is, I think it's called the 4-buckle. I'll put the title down below. But one of my main reasons for liking this vest is that Toby's just over a year and a half. When I got him, he, well, he's very hyperactive, which he still is. And being out in the desert, I wanted to make sure that he had some protection. So I got this vest for him to protect his body core, because he's got pretty much a full protection around. And I just wanted to make sure that he was safe and he wasn't getting stuck with any sticks or thorns. You know, there's a lot of cactus and nasty plants that are out here. So there is actually 2 buckles here, 2 buckles on this side, and then 2 buckles for the neck piece. So that's how it gets put on. It does have all the molly in here, and you see these little straps here. I use that to help bungee some stuff onto the top here. It does have the Velcro, and that's what this, our little logo here. That's how that's stuck on. There's a handle if necessary, and then you've got these 2 hook attachments. So other than that, it's pretty sturdy and it's well built. I haven't had any fraying or anything, any threads come loose, and it's just being that he's grown, I have a lot of these extra tags sticking off of it and stuff because he's gotten a little heavier over the years since he's still growing. So, let me show you how this thing comes apart. So, you got these 2 metal buckles on the front, which these are good, nice, tight buckles. Never had a problem with them coming loose. So, that releases the chest piece. And then you have these 2 on the side, and that's pretty much it. All right, good boy. So as you see, these are pretty beefy buckles right here. I've never had a problem with one of them breaking. Never had a problem with them coming loose. They fit nice and snug. And there's your core. You got some of your buckle attachments here to keep things snug. 1 for each set there. Then you have your chest piece. Comes off of it like this. And you actually have another hook attachment here for whatever you need. More Velcro here from another patch or whatever. And then you got your little metal attachments here. So, as you can see, a little closer. That's a little bit of hair. You can see that it's got a little bit of padding on the inside. And it's this tight woven nylon with the reinforcements around the edges. And that is the same throughout. Sorry, this thing's been a little dirty because it's got used a lot. But here's the body piece. So, that wraps around there. other than the dirt, the thing's in basically the same condition as it was new. Been pretty happy with it. Haven't had any injuries, haven't had any real concerns. You can see how they attach together on the side, a little bit closer view. And then that wraps, this is the belly piece wrapping around. Really the only two complaints I've had on this thing is adjustments. It's every buckle has its own adjustment. So you've got one buckle coming around here in his front chest area. You actually have to adjust this side to balance out this side. And you can see that here on the bottom piece. And that gets a little bit difficult, you know, especially when you have a growing dog. Just finding that balance piece. Oh, and the other thing too, I did some measurements and nothing's symmetrical. There's cut issues where things just don't line up. So that adds to some of the adjustment issues. Because it may look like it's straight, but then you find out that the whole thing's cockeyed sitting on your dog. Even though these things may be the same measurement here or across here also. I found the same thing with the chest piece. You know, and that's okay. It's just a little frustrating because you figure that A equals A instead of A equals A1, A2. The other problem that I've got in regards to our needs is that it doesn't breathe well. It is great for safety and stuff for a dog that just runs wild. It's very tight wove. The material's on the top. The problem is it doesn't breathe, or doesn't appear to breathe. When we first got this last August, we were working on off-leash, and Knucklehead took off running on me. It was a hot day. We weren't expecting to do much, but he got away from me. And once I finally caught him, he actually collapsed. Kind of like a heat exhaustion type of thing. So this went away for a while until things cooled down. And then everything was good after that. So I see this as more of like a fall, winter, spring, early spring type of usage. And then we went ahead and we're going with a rough work cooling system for the summer months, late spring, early fall type months into summer. But all in all, very happy with it. It does what I need it to do, which is to keep him safe. Plus he gets to strut around with his little trail dog adventures thing there. I've also been working on a custom fitting of a camera for this. We got busy going out and about, so that has kind of hit the back burner. But it does have the Molly on here too, so you can also put different Molly type attachments. If you want your dog to carry bags, their own food, water, what else you want. They're still as tight as they were a year ago, so they haven't loosened up or come loose. So it's a pretty sturdy piece. It's just not a summertime piece out here in the Mojave. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions on this particular item, the Icefang vest, shoot me a comment. Let me know. I'll respond to you. Why not? Huh? It's all about dogs. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.